My name is Hannah. I'm on the customer orders team at Brownswood, which involves all of our retail orders that go for installations and deliveries, as well as our wholesalers. I started as cashier, actually my first job. It was really fun being up in the pergola, and it was a great part-time job for me being a student. Everything I learned at Brownswood, which was super cool to grow through that. And then eventually I ended up on the orders team, which was something that I really enjoyed. I love a lot of our wholesalers and just working on that process, so it's been fun to grow into. I know a lot of folks will say that it's like a family at their job, but like Brownswood really is the one that I think feels like a family. The core team we have is absolutely amazing. There's not a single one of those people that I know I couldn't go to and be like, hey, I'm having a hard day, can you help me with this? Or even just like, hey, I'm busy, can you help me? I think the family has done a really good job of making sure that Brownswood stays consistent with that and putting good people and good leaders in charge to actually lead a team, not just make sure people are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Like, I've never had anyone refuse to answer a question or make me feel like I should have known something that I didn't. Everyone has been amazing. I started with absolutely zero plant knowledge and worked my way up to having a pretty good handle on the landscape plants here, as well as a decent personal collection, which I'm really proud of. The fact that Brownswood has so many different positions in one location. Obviously you have design team, landscape team, production, garden center, but even within those you have so many different roles. There's cashier, plant care techs, and everyone works together. It's a good atmosphere to learn because you can start off with one thing that you're strong at, like computers as cashier or orders, and you can transition into a completely different role like sales or plant care tech or even production if that was something that you were passionate about. And no one's going to make you feel like you shouldn't know something or you shouldn't be allowed to do something just because you're not strong there yet.